Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name is Ryan and today I'll be showing you how to use the text reader in your photos and add text from photos into your notes with the iPhone 13 Pro. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on any helpful iPhone 13 tutorials. And if you have the new iPhone 13, have you sold your old phone yet? Make sure you go to MrMoneyphone.com to get the best price on your old phone. Now let's get started. First, you're going to want to open up your Photos app and then find the photo with the text in it that you want to send to your notes. I've taken a photo of this Pop-Tart box. You can hold and press on the text and then select all the text that you want. And then go over to Share and then select your notes. And then you can save it as a new note. Save. And then when you go to your notes, there it is. And that is how you use the text reader to add text from a photo into your notes on the iPhone 13 Pro.